The forest is very quiet, and the stars are bright tonight. Mummy, I am so cold. My bones hurt.
Oh my God! Emma's head is burning like real fire!
What is wrong? Is she having a bad dream?
No, she has a very high fever. She is shaking.
I need to get the car keys right now. Where are the car keys? They are completely gone.
Look in the dark grass outside the tent door, Joe.
I cannot see anything in this thick, dark grass.
My head hurts so much, Mommy. I am here, Emma. The doctor will fix you soon.
Lucas, run to the river and get fresh, cold water.
I must be very quick to help my little sister.
Please, let me find the keys in this ash.
The river water is very ice cold tonight.
Emma, stay awake for Mommy. Please look at me.
Here is the cold river water, Mom.
This cold water will lower your high temperature, baby.
Thank God. The car keys were hidden under the wooden log. I have the keys. Wrap Emma in a warm blanket now.
Let us carry her to the car immediately.
Everyone buckle up tight. We are leaving right now. The town hospital is 20 miles away from here.
Her skin feels like a boiling pot of water.
Is Emma going to go to sleep forever, Mom?
No, Lucas. The smart doctors have good medicine for fevers.
No water. I just want to rest my eyes.
Oh no. The petrol light is flashing yellow right now.
Joe! You forgot to buy petrol before we went camping.
I thought we had enough to reach the main town.
The car is making a very funny noise, Dad.
Look. There is a small station open on the corner. I will pump the petrol in 2 seconds. Stay inside.
Please keep breathing normally, my beautiful little girl.
Dad is working very fast because he loves us.
The tank is full now. The hospital is very close.
My tummy feels very sick now.
It is okay, Emma.
The car is moving too fast. I feel dizzy. I will hold your feet so you do not shake, Emma.
I can see the hospital lights. We made it, Amy!
Open the door! Carry her inside right now! I have you, Emma. You are safe now.
Help! My daughter has an extremely high fever! Place the little girl on this rolling bed immediately, sir.
Do not panic, parents. Let me check her heartbeat now.
Uh-huh.
Her temperature is 40 degrees. This is very high.
Is that cold fluid going to hurt my little baby, Doctor?
No, this medicine will fight the bad infection inside her.
This high fever is my fault because I took her camping.
No, Dad. You found the car keys and saved her life tonight. The bright lights are very white here, Mommy.
The fever is leaving your body now, my beautiful angel.
Her heart is beating perfectly, and the temperature is dropping.
Yeah.
Good news, family. The little girl is going to be completely fine. Thank you so much, Doctor. You are a true hero.
Emma, you look like your normal self again today.
I am very hungry. Can I drink this sweet juice, Dad?
Drink as much as you want, my brave little princess.
We survived the scariest midnight emergency together, Joe.
The hospital nurse gave this brown toy bear to you. I will name him Camper because he is a forest bear.
Take this sweet pink liquid twice a day at home, Emma.
I will make sure she drinks every single drop, Doctor.
The beautiful sun is up, so it is time to go home, kids.
My legs feel very strong, and I can walk now.
Stay healthy, little Emma, and stay away from cold rivers.
The car is full of petrol now, so we can drive far. Home sweet home. My favorite soft bed is waiting. I am putting the orange tent inside the deep garage closet.
Warm soup is the best medicine for recovered girls, Emma.
Camper is eating some imaginary honey on the rug.
Are you feeling completely warm and happy now, baby?
Yes, Dad. You are the best ambulance driver in the world. Drink this sweet milk, Emma, to stay strong today. Thank you, Lucas. You are a very kind helper, brother.
Come and eat, everyone. Lunch is ready on the table.
This soup tastes much better than the forest sandwiches.
I learned a big lesson about preparation on this trip.
You stayed very brave when things got terrifying, Joe.
Look! I ate every single drop of my chicken soup, Mom.
Your cheeks are pink and beautiful again, my daughter.
Let us look at the photos from our first day of camping. Look at Dad trying to catch the small silverfish.
We have some funny memories despite the scary emergency.
The forest was pretty before the high fever started.
It is time for a long afternoon nap for my little patients.
Camper is sleepy too, so we will sleep together now.
Sleep well, my brave little forest explorer friend.
I want to learn how to find lost car keys quickly, Dad.
You are already a very smart and watchful boy, my son.
I had a scary high fever in the dark woods, but the strength of my family brought the warm sunshine back to me.
Our family is safe, and that is the biggest treasure.